Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw a letter S. S for snail. So let's get started. Draw S in a balloon shape. I'm drawing it freehand. You can also draw it like this in a balloon shape. Now we will draw the snail. So first make it like this. Two small lines. Yes, and join it like this. Now we will make the spiral to make the back of snail. Make a spiral shape like this. Now comes the tail of snail. Make a small tail like this. Then we will draw space, and now we will draw two antennas of snail. Now let's get started with coloring the snail and the letter S. So I'm using an orange color and yellow color for the letter S. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your kids. Thanks for watching.